Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download extension in VS Code. So for downloading, go to here, extensions. Now search for the extension name you want to download. So let's say code runner. So let me write here code runner. So here you can see code runner is showing. Now click on it. So as I have already installed it, this is showing as uninstall and disable. So let me choose another one to show you. Let's say Russian language pack for VS Code. So here is an option to install. By clicking on this option, you can install this extension on your VS Code. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.